Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Modi to release first installment of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin under PM Janman to 1 lakh beneficiaries tomorrow. Prime Minister Modi celebrates Pongal in Delhi, says promotion of millets is benefiting small farmers, young entrepreneurs. Festival of Harvest, Uttarayan, Bhogali Bihu and Bhogi being celebrated in different parts of the country. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh leads the Armed Forces Veterans Day celebrations, says government committed to the welfare of ex-servicemen. And Tura gears up for the grand opening of 5th edition of Meghalaya Games, President Draupadi Murmu to launch the event. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will release the first installment to 1 lakh beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin under the Pradhan Mantri Janjati Adivasi Nyaya Maha Abhiyan PM Janman tomorrow through video conferencing. He will also interact with the beneficiaries of PM Janman on the occasion. In line with Modi's efforts towards the vision of Antyodaya to empower the last person at the last mile, the PM Janman was launched for the socio-economic welfare of particularly vulnerable tribal groups in November last year. Over 22.6 million students have registered for the 7th edition of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Pariksha Pe Charcha 2024 to be held on the 29th of this month. It is a record-breaking registration so far. The Ministry of Education had invited online applications from students in classes 6th to 12th, teachers and parents to participate in the event through a contest on the MyGov portal from the 11th of December 2023 to the 12th of this month. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that millet promotion is benefiting small farmers and young entrepreneurs in the country. He added that over 3 crore farmers doing millet farming are directly benefiting from its promotion, and there is a new awareness about millet. Shri Anna and many youth have taken up start-up ventures on millet.
कई डॉट्स बनाती है और एक बार जब सारे डॉट्स बन जाते हैं तो हर एक का एक अलग महत्व होता है। ये तस्वीर ही मन लुभाने वाली होती है, लेकिन कॉलम का असली रूप तब और वैभवशाली हो जाता है जब ये सभी डॉट्स मिला दिए जाते हैं और बड़ी कलाकृति बनाकर इसमें रंग भरा जाता है। हमारा देश और उसकी विविधता भी कॉलम के जैसी है। जब देश का कोना कोना एक दूसरे से भावात्मक रूप से जुड़ता है तो हमारी शक्ति एक अलग रूप दिखाती है। पोंगल का पर्व भी एक ऐसा ही पर्व है जो एक भारत श्रेष्ठ भारत की राष्ट्र भावना को दर्शाता है।
Assam is celebrating the Magh Bihu, the vibrant harvest festival also known as Bhogali Bihu and Maghor Domahi. It is the first festival of the year that brings people of various communities together to enjoy the winter crops and pray for prosperity for the rest of the year. It is called Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Lohri in Punjab and Makar Sankranti in northern parts of India. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Sunday paid tribute to ex-servicemen of the country and acknowledged the nation's affection towards soldiers during Armed Forces Veterans Day celebrations in Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur. Addressing the gathering, Singh reasserted the unwavering commitment of Ministry of Defence towards the welfare of ex-servicemen, stating that from implementing the one rank, one pension scheme to providing health care and re-employment, The government has been leaving no stone unturned to ensure the well-being of the veterans. He said it is the nation's collective responsibility to treat the soldiers and their dependents as their own family and ensure that it stands with them always.
रखने के लिए, इस राष्ट्र की जीवंतता को बनाए रखने के लिए उसे वह नैतिक बल मिलता है जिस कारण वह मौत का भी सामना करने को सदैव तैयार रहता है। उस सैनिक का सबसे बड़ा धर्म यह हो जाता है कि मैं रहूं या न रहूं, मेरा देश रहना चाहिए, क्योंकि इस देश की निरंतरता में वह भी जीवित रहेगा और उसका नाम भी जीवित रहेगा।
Colourful hoardings, painted sidewalks and eye-catching murals dot the landscape of Tura, with just one more day for the official launch of the much-anticipated 5th Meghalaya Games. The atmosphere is electrifying, with athletes from across the state having descended in town to showcase their talent and potential at the Games. As Tura prepares to welcome President Draupadi Murmu on January 15th afternoon to launch the state games for the first time in Tura, the main PA Sangma Stadium will only host the inaugural program and the semi-final and final matches of the football event. The Pa Togan Neng Minja Sangma Stadium is expected to draw crowds in thousands as the track and field events get underway from Monday. In view of the visit to Tura by the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, for the upcoming Meghalaya Games starting on January 15th, West Garo Hills Police has released an advisory for vehicles asking people going to Shillong or Guwahati to avoid using the NH51, the route that will be taken by the VVIPs. The advisory further added that individuals intending to commute towards Guwahati and Shillong on January 15th and 16th from southwest Garo Hills, Mankachar, Assam, have been requested to avoid taking Tura route and instead travel via AMPT route. Individuals intending to commute towards Guwahati and Shillong on the same day from Bakmara, South Garo Hills district, are requested to travel via Siju Rangjeng route. Further, commuters have been informed to refrain from roadside parking of vehicles on the route to be taken by the President from the morning of January 15th till the afternoon. Emergency services have been exempted. Famous for its mesmerizing sunrises, surrounded by rising fog, Nongjarong is now set to host a two-day festival in its name. The festival dates are the 16th and 17th of February, featuring music, kayaking, paragliding, hilltop cloud gazing, orchid trekking, beauty pageants and cultural presentations. The festival aims to showcase the unique characteristics and positive aspects of the village, emphasizing local culture, cottage industries and thriving plantations that form the support system for the people in that area. The festival aims to promote Nongjarong as a must-visit destination for tourists seeking an authentic and culturally rich experience. Confident that voters in the Khasi Jaintia Hills will support the regional forces in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, the United Democratic Party UDP is set to begin its campaigning in February. The party, backed by another regional party, the Hill State People's Democratic Party HSPDP, under the umbrella of the Regional Democratic Alliance RDA, has already prepared its groundwork since the candidate for Shillong was announced. UDP President Metbat Lyngdoh is confident that they will be victorious in Shillong. Even though the party faces a tough battle against political giants like the Congress and NPP, Lyngdoh seems assured that the regional party will wrest the torch from Shillong in Congress. In men's cricket, India will take on Afghanistan in the second T20 international match of the three-match series at Indoor's Holkar Cricket Stadium today. The match will start at 7 this evening. In the first match, India defeated Afghanistan by 6 wickets and looked to wrap the series up. The host will be bolstered by the return of Virat Kohli after he missed out on the first T20 match. On the other hand, Afghanistan continues to be without their talisman Rashid Khan. Another weather report. The maximum temperature was 18.4 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 6.8 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 43%, while in evening was 55%. The forecast, Shillong and its adjoining areas will experience dry weather most likely. Before you wind up, here are the headlines once again. Prime Minister Modi to release first installment of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin under PM Janman to 1 lakh beneficiaries tomorrow. Prime Minister Modi celebrates Pongal in Delhi, says promotion of millets is benefiting small farmers, young entrepreneurs. Festival of Harvest, Uttarayan, Bhogali Bihu and Bhogi being celebrated in different parts of the country. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh leads the Armed Forces Veterans Day celebrations, says government committed to the welfare of ex-servicemen. Antura gears up for the grand opening of 5th edition of Meghalaya Games, President Draupadi Murmu to launch the event. That's all we have in the news for today. Do join us again tomorrow for more news. Until then, it's good night.